In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hlookup function in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along. We'll walk through what Hlookup does, how to write it, and a few clear examples so you can use it confidently in your own sheets. Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup. Instead of searching down a column like vlookup, it searches across the top row of a table to find a header, then returns a value from a row you specify beneath that header. It's perfect when your categories run across columns and your details are stacked in rows below. Here's the syntax you'll use. Hlookup, lookup value, table array, row index num, range lookup. Let's break that down. Lookup value is what you want to find across the top row. Often, a text label like a product name. Table array is the full range that includes the top row and the rows you want to pull from. Row index num is the row number within that range to return, where the top row is 1, the next row is 2, and so on. Finally, range lookup is optional. Use false for an exact match or true for an approximate match. To make this concrete, imagine a small table in A1 through D3. The top row lists product, then laptop, phone, and tablet. The second row shows price with values 500, 300, and 200. The third row shows stock with values 10, 20, and 15. Let's find the price of the laptop. In a blank cell, type Hlookup, laptop, A1 D3, 2, false. Laptop is the header we're searching for across the top row. A1 D3 is the full table, 2 tells Excel to return the second row, and false asks for an exact match. The result should be 500. Next, let's find the stock quantity for the phone. Use Hlookup, phone, A1, D3, 3 false. This time, we're pulling from the third row of the same table, and the result should be 20. You can also use a cell reference for the lookup value. If a cell, say F1, contains the word tablet, enter Hlookup, F1, A1, D3, 2, false. Because F1 evaluates to tablet, Excel returns 200 from the price row. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Ensure the item you're searching for is in the top row of your range. Make sure your row/index num doesn't exceed the number of rows in your table, and use false for reliable exact matches. If you later copy formulas, consider locking your table range with absolute references so it doesn't shift. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.